So I'm often asked, am I scared about the upcoming landing? And although of course it's natural to have a certain amount of nervousness about it, the answer really is no. Because of the people at Maxon who work on this and the process and the program that we follow in order to develop these motors. So there isn't really any reason for on motor level or on gearbox level to be worried that they won't work. And so therefore I'm looking forward to the landing, which undoubtedly will be exciting because that's such a complicated system, it's impossible to test it completely. So that's where I see the risk. Once it's down on the ground, then I'm confident that everything will work.
I'm repeatedly honored and extremely proud that our precision drives are being used in these technically groundbreaking Mars missions. Many Maxon employees worked really hard on the latest Mars2020 project over the last few years, and they did a fantastic job. Now we hope that everything goes as planned. See you soon on Mars.
The final countdown has started. We are anxiously awaiting the landing of Perseverance on Mars. The whole Maxon team and everyone involved just can't wait to see it happen. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do except to keep our fingers crossed and hope that the experts at JPL know what they're doing.
Space projects like actuators for the next Mars mission are feel to me like parents with a child. I'm glad to have such a great child. I taken care that it develop well and grow up, and I see how it's grown to adult and leave home to live its own life far away. Sometimes you get message to know everything is fine. During these projects we learn much and gain experience, and we know what we would do differently with the next child to make it even better.
Our colleagues from SpaceLab worked very hard during the past years for this Mars2020 mission. I hope that the landing will be successful, and I hope that the ground which has been chosen, the landing ground, will be the right one to detect organic material. And I'm very excited that during my time at Maxon I will be witnessing a Mars landing.
I can't wait to see Mars2020 landing on Mars in a few days. But I'm even more excited to see Ingenuity Mars helicopter flying on Mars. This will be the first flight on another planet, and the thin atmosphere of Mars makes this task very challenging. Me and the whole Maxon team can't wait to see our motor contributing to a successful mission.